Jessica, wouldn't it be awesome to have your coffee every morning on your own private piece of waterfront?
Mark, this is an amazing opportunity to upgrade your lifestyle and enjoy the best the country living has to offer. Here, you've got more than 300 feet of your own private waterfront property, and you're only steps away from the beautiful shores of Lake Erie.
We know you want to book an appointment to view this beautiful waterfront property, so why don't you call Jessica at
647-226-8042 or call Mark at
905-512-1846.